today what we're going to do is we are going to practice using base 10. So at the top of your page, I want you to write day 9 dividing with base 10. This is a really good method if you're a very visual person, but this method is also really good if you have a small number you're using. So I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So the first example is 231 divided by 11. So what we're going to do is this is our total amount and this is going to be number of groups. Okay, so the first number is always going to equal your total amount. So first what you need to do, we'll say step 1, draw out your total amount. So what I'm going to do is the boxes, I'm going to put 100, 100, and then 10, 10, 10, and then I'm just going to draw a 1 stick. So we can see I have 100 plus 100 equals 200, 3 tens equals 30, and then I have my 1. Step 2 is draw out your number of groups. So I have 11, so I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, let's call this 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's important that you space them out a little bit because we're going to be passing them out. And like I said, this is a great way to divide using base 10s as long as your number of groups is small. If you had a number that was, say, divided by 75, you don't want to be drawing 75 out. So the best method might be area model or the old-fashioned way. So now I need to look at my biggest number, and I say, do I have enough of this to pass out to everyone? I only have 2 100s. It's not fair. I always think of it like people. It's not fair to number or people 3 through 11 to only get nothing because the hundreds go here. So I know that if I break this up, this 100, into tens, and I'm just writing a little 10 inside, One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what I did is I canceled this out and I changed it for 10 tens because I know 10 tens also equals 100. That's like if you go to a store and you say, hey, I need 4 quarters for $1, 10 dimes for $1, 20 nickels. We still have the same value, we're just changing it out. So now I have enough tens to pass out enough to every one. So I'm going to pass a 10 here, and I'm going to mark it out. A 10 here, a 10 here, a 10 here, Now, while I did run out of tens from the 100, I still have 3 tens over here. So I'm just going to mark that one out. Now I've passed out an equal amount to everyone so far. Next, what I'm going to do is I say, do I have enough to pass out to an equal amount to everyone? So I'm going to mark this out and once again do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have enough to pass out to everyone. See why I said it's important that you don't put them too close together, so that way you're not confusing it with another group. Now I'm going to take one from over here. Now I've passed out all of those, and all I have left is 110 and 1. And I can think, what do I know about my grand total that I have right now? I know I have 11. So I can break this down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have 11 total from this one over here. I know 11 goes into 11 one time. So I can pass one out to each group. Now I have nothing left. I've passed it all out. So step 3, pass out equal amounts until all is gone. And then, I'm sorry that this is over here, for your answer is how much one group has. So I'm going to look, you can pick any one you want. You can pick group 1, you can pick group 4, you can pick group 11. It doesn't matter because they should all have equal amounts. So here, if I look at 10, well, we'll look at 9, that's a little easier to read. 10 plus 10 equals 20, plus 1 equals 21. So my answer up here is 21. And once again, I can check my work by doing 21 times 11. 1 times 1 equals 1, 1 times 2 equals 2, placeholder, 1 times 1 equals 1, 1 times 2 equals 2. And I got the same thing as that up here, so I know I'm correct. This is called the dividing with base 10. Like I said, it's best if you have small numbers. I wouldn't do it for anything over maybe 15. But if this is the method that works best for you, then feel free to use it.